Have you ever wondered why you feel obligated to say yes after someone does something kind for you? It's not magic, it's psychology. Today I'll show you how to use the reciprocity principle, a powerful tool, to win people over ethically and effectively. And stick around, because the example I'm about to share could change how you approach persuasion forever. The power of reciprocity. Reciprocity is one of the most effective psychological tools we have. It's the principle that people feel compelled to return a favor. Why? Because deep down, we fear being seen as ungrateful or selfish. It's wired into our social behavior. It's how societies have thrived for centuries. Think about it. How often have you said yes simply because someone did something nice for you first? Now, imagine using this to build stronger relationships, negotiate better deals, or even influence someone's decisions. Example: imagine you're managing a team and there's an important project that requires extra hours. Rather than directly asking your team to stay late, you first bring in some refreshments, maybe coffee, tea, and snacks, to show appreciation for their hard work. You take a moment to personally thank each of them for their contributions so far. Later, when you ask for their extra time and effort, they're more likely to agree. Not because they have to, but because they feel grateful and want to return the favor. Why does this work? This small, thoughtful gesture triggers the reciprocity principle. By offering something valuable first, you create a sense of goodwill, which naturally makes them more inclined to help when you ask. It's human nature. They feel a need to reciprocate your kindness. How to use reciprocity in your life. Whether you're trying to negotiate, build trust, or gain support, the key is to offer value first. But remember, this only works if your gesture is genuine and unexpected. People can spot insincerity a mile away. Quick tip: keep it simple. A thoughtful compliment, sharing valuable advice, or helping someone solve a problem can create a powerful bond that makes them more likely to reciprocate. But here's the catch: reciprocity can backfire if overused or misused. So, how do you strike the perfect balance? That's where understanding deeper psychological techniques comes in. The reciprocity principle is a game changer when used wisely. But mastering persuasion doesn't stop here. If you want to learn how to use psychology to influence minds and make every conversation count, click here for my next video, How to Use Psychology to Change Minds. It's packed with actionable insights you don't want to miss. Remember, persuasion isn't about manipulation. It's about connection. Use reciprocity to build bridges, not burn them. See you in the next video.